Hello everyone, I'm Meghna, studying in grade 11 in Indian school Sohar. Today I'm going to present about how artificial intelligence AI is being used in chatbots and makes great difference in the field of education during this new normal COVID situation. The natural intelligence displayed by humans involves consciousness and emotionality, whereas artificial intelligence is demonstrated by machines. So, we turn the machines to learn, eventually to serve the human beings. AI is bringing a drastic change in the technological fields, where it can be implemented to automate the system for more efficiency and performance. AI is being used in different fields like agriculture, farming, retail shopping, sports, healthcare, chatbots, and supply chain management for helping humans to work with better performance without the help of humans. During this pandemic situation, the support of AI is really making difference in education and healthcare fields. Chatbot, short for Chatterbot, an AI software program that uses natural language processing to hold a human-like conversations with the users. Users communicate with these tools using a chat interface or voice, just like they would converse with another person. Chatbots interpret the words given to them and provide a preset answer. This convenient technology is becoming an increasingly valuable asset for companies. With the help of modern chatbots, business can offer a deeper level of interaction than ever before. Chatbots are using AI techniques like natural language processing, which is one of the most fundamental AI techniques used in chatbots. It's concerned with the interactions between the computers and human languages. Named entity recognition, another very important AI technique which is used for information extraction and locate the text into predefined categories. Personality AI in chatbots is an intention-based functioning which is more sophisticated. It allows programmers to create chatbots that have a different kind of personality or even a sense of humor. Are you familiar with Siri, Google Assistant, or the very famous Alexa by Amazon? Those are called conversational AI and chatbots, which many of us now rely on for daily tasks. Machine learning chatbot is a type of chatbot which has artificial neural network inspired by the neural nodes of the human brain. The bot is programmed to self-learn as it is introduced to new dialogues and words. As it stands, even the most sophisticated chatbots are unlikely to be mistaken as a human over an extended period of time. As artificial intelligence continues to make inroads in education, the potential uses for chatbots in education grow. How does chatbot help, especially during this COVID time? 100% literacy by 2050. That's a very bold claim. But isn't it something that the world should be working for in collaboration? Education today is a privilege. But what if with the right technology and support, it can be a basic human right? But if the current global crisis with the COVID-19 pandemic is to be considered and how global educational institutes have shifted to online and AI apps and chatbot-based education to keep matters functioning as usual, then probably the claim is not entirely untrue. AI solutions in edtech, especially chatbots, have often been considered as a feasible and affordable solution to mass educational challenges. Considering the low dependencies on infrastructure, time and cost, education might just take a somersault with AI-based chatbots. Education is one of the oldest industries on which any society's economic and social well-being is based. Because of the pandemic, most of the schools were seen closing down and online classes became our new normal. To help in making the newly implemented systems more efficient, educational chatbots can be used. It can become a game changer in the world of edtech innovation. If we focus on specific benefits of chatbots in education, we can list quite many of them. I would like to mention a few of them. First of all, it can provide personalized education. Students come to the classroom with a variety of skills, interests, and prior experiences, which means they need tutors who can tailor lectures and explanations to them and their needs. One example of such a chatbot is a project between the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Facebook, and a public school that uses bots that can adapt lectures based on students' areas of weakness. Fascinating, right? Then chatbots can make learning more effective. As far as students are concerned, AI and chatbot literally have the potential to change the learning environment. With hands-on experience provided by augmented reality and chatbots, students will engage with better learning experiences and be better equipped to deal with the skills required in the future. For instance, Botify, an AI chatbot, quizzes students by showing them pictures, text, videos on a specific topic. After the students learn the topic, they are quizzed on the subject. The results can then be shown to the teacher for him to assess the student's performance. Feedback, whether it's from a student or a teacher, it's very important to improve the learning process. Students get feedback from the educational institutions, generally use online to printed forms. Hubert, an AI chatbot, interacts with students and asks questions like how the course can be improved, what should be changed, what is working well and what is not. The bot then analyzes the feedback, compiles the highlighted points mentioned by most of the students and sends it to the teachers. Chatbots can be efficient teaching assistants. It can be used to answer the students' queries about the course, lesson plans, assignments and deadlines. It can monitor the learning progress of the students. They can provide a personalized advice to the students. Snatchbot is one such education chatbot that can be used by teachers to aid their teaching. Technology has enabled this generation of students to get everything instantly, whether it's sending an email, posting a picture, or online assignment help. Everything could be done in just a few clicks. Since most questions are repetitive, chatbots can be used to convert this time-consuming task of replying to each query personally into an automatic one. The bots can even act as campus guides and help the students as they arrive at the campus. Also, the students can find out more about the scholarships, hostel facilities, library memberships, and so on. Chatbots can be used beyond facilitating the students' requests. As the students interact with the chatbot, a bot collects a lot of data. This data includes all the information about the students' preferences and their behavior. The institution can utilize this data to track the students' queries and then identify the areas where they need to improve. I have prepared a very simple chatbot simulator called EduCourse with the help of Dialogflow, which can help the people to improve their reading skills. Here is my simulator EduCourse.
Alright, getting the test version of EduCourse. Hi, I'm EduCourse, your reading assistant. How can I help you?
Hi.
How can I help you?
Can you give some tips to improve my reading skills?
I can help you with that. Here are some tips to improve reading. 1. Set aside time to read each day. 2. Set reading goals. 3. Take notes while you read.
Can you suggest a book for me?
Yes, of course. One of the best books to improve reading skills is Reading Development and Difficulties by Kate Kane.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Happy reading.
Is it not quite interesting to see EduCourse answering all your queries? However, like any other technologies, chatbot also have their limitations. Doesn't understand natural language to match that of the humans, which means slang, misspellings, and sarcasm are often not understood by a bot. The bot doesn't have the ability to improvise and lacks human touch in odd situations. If a customer asks something outside of the narrow list of answerable questions, then the bot will get confused, which may frustrate the customers. Need to be maintained and updated with the latest information. Let's sum it all up. If you're still not convinced that the chatbot for education is a technology worth developing, considering the following statistics. According to Statista, in 2016, the chatbot market comprised $190.8 million. By 2025, this number is expected to grow to $1.25 billion. Artificial intelligence and education are going hand in hand. The benefits provided by AI in education and learning are one of a kind. No other technological approach or solution offers this kind of business benefits or opportunities. As a result, we can expect an immense growth in the educational sector using AI technologies like chatbots. Thank you.